How to open any video files on iCloud iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari web browser on your phone. Here, go to the search bar and navigate to iCloud.com. Once logged in, open the Photos app as shown to view your media library. To open any videos, just find and tap on the video you wish to open. Then, go to the Drive option. Here, tap on the categories icon as shown, then select Browse. Now, tap on a folder, such as Downloads, to view its contents. Here, you can see a list of all the files saved in that specific folder, and tap on any video file you find in these folders to open and play it. Following these steps, you can easily open any video files on iCloud iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.